Sundays are special. It's the only day when the entire family comes together and shares a meal. For us Bengalis, Sunday lunches are really sacred. We either make a chicken curry or a mutton curry. Today I am going to share the recipe of a chicken curry which we call Robibarer Murgir Chol. Every single Bengali knows how to make it. It's very easy and it is distinguished by its beautiful red colored gravy and large potatoes which literally melt in the mouth. Come join with me as I make Robibarer Murgir Chol.
In this recipe, we are going to take 500 grams of chicken on the bone and cut into medium-sized pieces and marinate that with 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1.5 tablespoons of yogurt, a little bit of salt, about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You also need to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and give it a nice mix. I forgot to add mustard oil. You also need to add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil to this and mix it all nicely, and you can keep it for an hour, or if you wish you can keep it for 4 hours or overnight. Next, you take a medium-sized onion and finely slice it. Take another medium-sized onion and make a paste of it. Take a small tomato and make a paste and keep aside. Take 4 medium-sized potatoes or large size and peel them. And once you have peeled all the potatoes, cut them into halves. So you have like really large, big potato chunks with you. Now you have to take the potatoes and sprinkle about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a little bit of salt and nicely rub the spices in the potatoes. And then in a kadhai or a heavy bottom saucepan, you take about 2 whole tablespoons of mustard oil, heat it up and fry those potatoes. You need them nice golden color. You don't have to cook them all the way through. You just need to color the potatoes into a nice golden color. So it will take about 4-5 minutes. And then once that is done, you take the potatoes out and keep them aside to be cooked later with the chicken. To the same hot oil, add a crushed bay leaf and whole garam masala, which would be your half an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamoms and 3 cloves. And let these whole spices brown a little bit while releasing their natural oils. And then you add a couple of split green chilies. You can leave the chilies whole as well, it's your choice. To this, add the sliced onion and fry till it's translucent in color. Add a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of salt to this onion and keep frying. And when it's little golden in color, tip your onion paste to this and keep frying it till it's all the raw smell goes away. Add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder to the onions, and then you add the marinated chicken and coat all the spices together. Bring everything together nicely over a medium heat, and then you add the tomato paste that you had kept earlier. You can add half of it depending on the sourness of the tomatoes. Then you add a teaspoon each of cumin powder and coriander powder and give it all a good stir. Stir over medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then you add the potatoes and again bring everything together. You need to add 2 to 3 cups of hot water to this chicken. Don't add cold water because it would reduce the temperature of the cooking. So add the water and the chicken and the potatoes should sink in the water, and give it a boil over medium to high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, you cover it with a lid and reduce the temperature and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is perfectly cooked. So chicken doesn't take too long to cook, and in 15-20 minutes even your potatoes are almost done and they are like really nice and soft. So once this is done, then you add a couple of green chilies And you increase the heat to medium again. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Bengali garam masala, little bit of salt if required, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and give it a nice boil. And then you turn off the heat. So Bengali chicken curry is ready. Robibarer murgir chhol, you can serve it with steamed rice, you can have it with puri or luchi. If you like this recipe, then leave a comment below and like, share and subscribe to our channel for more everyday recipes.